falling from the tree. A is for the apple, tasty and shiny to see. 3 apples, 4 apples, rolling on the floor. B is for the bubble, floating out the door. Count the apples as they fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in all. Sing the letters loud and clear. The alphabet is drawing near. 5 apples, 6 apples, stacked up in a pile. C is for the cat, who watches with a smile. 7 apples, 8 apples, colors red and green. D is for the hat, sitting tall on the scene. Count the apples as they fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in all. Sing the letters loud and clear. The alphabet is drawing near. Apples tumbling left and right, letters dancing in the light. A B, C, D, learn as you grow. There's a whole world you'll get to know. Count the apples as they climb. 1, 2, 3, and take your time. Sing the letters in your song. The alphabet will take you along.
white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.